And balete, what does it mean in the English?
It's like the old enchanted tree over there. And now we're doing what we call the fish spa. The fish are so big, so big. Why are they so big?
So they're eating your old skin?
It's just dead skins, yeah.
I was scared for a second.
No.
So Julie,
Yeah.
where are we going right now?
We're going to Sambulawan Falls. We're going down.
Look at this.
Come on, guys.
Come on guys.
Come on, join us.
I think Julie is exciting.
A little bit, just a little bit.
Everybody, let's go. Look at the weather. Beautiful weather. Beautiful Filipina. What else I can have? And Slovakian alcohol. She doesn't like Slovakian alcohol.
Hold on, I'm getting scared.
See you next time.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, legs up.
Damn!
Uyawan ko!
She got it, man. No way, we made it. Jules, we made it. How was it? Are you tired now? Okay.
Just catching my breath.
So how was the waterfalls? Yeah. Damn, that was awesome. That was awesome.
Warning, bad camera audio. Sorry, subtitles enabled. Warning.
Where are you from, sir, by the way?
Eastern Europe.
I'm
Slovakia.
What?
Do you know Slovakia?
Yeah, I know. Slovakia.
Yeah. So we are going to the cave.
Enjoy!
Thank you guys.
How do you do it?
Yeah, it's like push forward, and you just pull it backward to turn it off. If it doesn't work, so just tap and say Siri lights on.
Then be careful. Go. Hold.
Actually, the real goal, guys, is because if it is, it's definitely gone by now. I'll be the first one to mind, you know? I'm the only person in no such thing, okay? However, I only because in such a big act. So we're hot, blooded animals. And
So if this touch me, what's gonna happen?
I don't know, maybe you're the one who's getting that.
You're in the cave right now?
It doesn't like...
I hate wait, can I take it off?
Wait, the best? No, let's say an SOP, you know, standard phrase, senior.
I am a crazy guy, my guy.
We survived. I don't know. They actually survived.
If I die, I die.
We were running and swinging fast.
Nice. Wait. No, there we go.
Getting so good. From the water. When you see, looking right now. There's a big rock here. Thank you. Thank you.
Kind of all white.
It is such a white.
From Pluto.
Hey guys, quick one! Smash that like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. It helps me so much. Alright, back to the video.
Shallow area all the way to that end, of course. But here, right here, is, I mean, it looks like one. But you know what what happened that first? We played that one during pandemic when no devs allowed or trouble not allowed, you know. So here's the way to play this, right? Food? Yeah, it was originally like a, you know, like a mail. There were apps before. But since people are going in here, and that's soft, you can touch those. Well, it's soft because it's mud sitting on the bottom. So people are always pushing, and now they with the boots. Yeah, the booties. They say the lady boy, that's what they call it.
Lady boy? No lady boy.
But anyways, we're here guys. It looks pretty rough. Made Buddha, there's another one here. You wanna go underneath? Welcome to my life. I'm tired. My bra is like losing. Hey guys, how are you? Good? Oh, with you. That's why you call your rock some Pluto. There's a lot of people here. You want to quit?
See you never! You're gonna be lost!
Good philosophy. May mga pilosopo mo sila. He's from Germany.
Warning. Guys, my camera just died inside the cave, unfortunately. Anyway, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. I love showing you my crazy life. See you in the next one. Bye!